Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, my name is Savannah, and I'm coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, 2014, and weather today in the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 66, a low of 45, with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. The Cubs won 1-0 against the Cincinnati Reds, and the White Sox lost to the Kansas City Royals by a score of 4-3. Band and orchestra lessons started this week. Lessons F through K will meet today. Don't forget, electives for art, music, and PE have started at lunchtime recess. And now, a word from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Savannah. Good morning, Hoover. Just a reminder that the enrichments are starting this week. That's exciting. I can't wait to see some of those things. Also with band and orchestra lessons starting, I can't wait to hear that beautiful music coming out of that room. I know it's been a while since we've had that here at Hoover, a few months, so I look forward to that. And then also I got a report from the bus drivers yesterday regarding our bus drills, and they were very complimentary of the Hoover students, so that's awesome. Now remember, as good as you were yesterday on your bus drills, I want you to be that good every day on your bus rides to and from school. It's very important that we have that safe behavior on the bus. Everybody, have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer. Here is today's fun fact. The Earth is not perfectly round. It is slightly flattened at the North and South poles. That's all for today. Have a terrific Tuesday.